What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV, and I have got CnC gimbals from PyroDrone. These are the version 1.1 gimbals. They had a issue on the first version with the magnets, and they seem to have resolved this issue now. These are for the Tango2 and the Mambo, and I've got them in stock right now. All my pre-orders are about to ship right out, and I'm getting these out just as quick as I possibly can for you guys. All metal upgrades, smooth as butter. Really nice. No flex in them whatsoever. If these are a little too rich for your blood, it's cool, man. I got you. I got the V2 gimbals from TBS as well. The non-pro are like 16 bucks a piece, and the pro with the folding action are I think 30-ish. Anyway, come out to flyhighfpv.com. I got all the Tango2 goodies you need. Add-on module bays. Ooh, these stick ends. Have you seen these? These are the thumb grippies from Thumb Grippies. These are the mini mushrooms is the style here. They're made for thumbers. I'm a thumber. But we also have the Grandmasters and the pinch sticks for the pinchers out there. Absolutely changes the game though. I don't use CNC style stick ends at all anymore. All thumb grippies. Thanks though. Hit me up if you need anything. I've even got clear nostalgia shells. If you want to customize and paint your Tango, make it special, clear antennas, all the goods, just hit me up. flyhighfpv.com.